Hi guys, it's Mrs. Ray, and today we're going to be talking a little bit more about opinion writing. And before we start opinion writing, we need to know what an opinion is. So if you take a look at the screen, you can see that it says fact or opinion. I have 3 or 4 different sentences, and we have to decide if this is something that's a fact that everybody agrees with, or if it is opinion, that means that other people might share a different thought. They might not agree with what you're saying. So the first one says, pizza is yummy. Well, raise your hand if you like pizza. I do. But you know what? If you ask my daughter, she doesn't like pizza, and she'd say, no, pizza is not yummy. So the first one, pizza is yummy, is not an opinion. It's not a fact. It's an opinion. So we could write about why pizza is yummy, and we can tell other people why we like pizza. The second one, it says, we live on Earth. No matter who you are, you live on Earth. So that is a fact. It is not an opinion. Number 3, baseball is the best sport. Well, I bet a lot of you think soccer is the best sport. Some of you might like to play football or tennis or volleyball or cricket. There's lots of different sports. So no, baseball is the best sport. That is not a fact. That would be an opinion. We'd have to tell you why we think that. And the fourth one, Mr. Ashton is our principal. That's a fact. That is not an opinion. That is something true. We know that Mr. Ashton is indeed our principal. If you take a look at this is the way I like to teach opinion writing sometimes because I love to eat Oreos, and this is a great example. If you look, this first part is a chocolate cookie. That represents our opinion. So when we write a story, or we're going to use an opinion first, and then the cream part represents why we believe what we believe. Why do we think that? And then we're going to end our writing with another cookie, another opinion. So it's going to go opinion, why we think that, and then opinion. So here's an example. It says bees. The first sentence is going to be an opinion. Bees are amazing insects. Some people might not like bees, so they don't agree with that opinion. But I'm going to tell you why I think bees are amazing. They are able to fly up to 5 miles in one day. We get our fruits and vegetables because bees spread pollen from flowers. I guess you should say flower to flower. Bees have an excellent sense of smell. Then, since I gave you all the reasons why I think bees are amazing, I'm going to end it with another opinion. Same one though. There are so many reasons why bees are cool insects. So if you look, I made these really dark. This is like my sandwich cookies. Bees are amazing insects. That is an opinion. That's not a fact. It's just something that I think. And then I just said it a different way. There are so many reasons why bees are cool insects. So these are like my sandwich cookies in my Oreo. I started with an opinion and I ended with an opinion. And everything in the middle is the cream telling you why I think bees are amazing. Okay, the next slide is going to be a video of me talking to you and showing you how to do an opinion writing. I'm going to write about my husband, but I want you guys to write about your mom, and you'll see what I mean in a minute.
All right, guys, so we've been talking about opinion writing and using the model of an Oreo. I even brought an actual Oreo for you to look at. As you can see, it has chocolate, and then it has some cream, and then it's chocolate at the bottom. The chocolate cookie parts are going to represent our opinion. So we're going to put our opinion, and then we're going to talk about why we think what we think, and then we're going to stop it with our opinion again. So it's going to go opinion, reasons, opinion. Chocolate, cream, chocolate. Well, let's get started. When you guys do your writing, you're going to write about why your mom is so amazing, but I don't want you to copy what I'm doing, so what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to write about my husband, and you guys are going to write about your mom. So for my opinion, my first part, I'm going to put my husband is awesome. So I'm going to start with a capital. My husband is awesome. Now, you can talk about what your mom, is your mom great? Is your mom the best mom in the whole world? Is your mom the best mom in the whole wide universe? Whatever you want to do for your opinion, but this is your opinion part. And you're not going to write it like a cookie like I did it. I just want you to write it on a regular piece of paper or type it or however your teachers asked you to do it, but I'm going to do it just as an Oreo just to make it a little bit more fun for you to look at. My first reason why he is so awesome is that he plans the best vacations for me and our kids. So I'm going to talk about start with capital. He, make sure you leave your space, plans the best, notice my spaces in between my words. He plans the best vacations for me and our kids, because he takes us places all the time and he plans them. Now, right now, you should be writing a sentence about your mom. So, what's one reason why your mom is amazing? Why is she so great? Why is she the mom, or why is she the best mom in the whole world? But you need to come up with a reason. One reason right now why she's so great. My second reason why my husband's so awesome: if anything ever breaks in our house, he can always fix it. So he's really good at fixing things. So I'm gonna say, I'm not gonna start with he again. I'm gonna say, if anything breaks in our house, he can fix it. Now think about something else that your mom does or shows you or makes or whatever she does that makes her amazing, makes her great, makes her the best mom in the whole wide world. Because you got good reasons why she's so great. I'm going to give you a third reason why my husband is amazing. Sometimes you get sick. Maybe I get sick. When I get sick, I don't feel so great. You know what he does? He makes me chicken noodle soup. So I'm going to do a sentence like, when I'm sick, since I'm using the word I have to use an uppercase letter. When I'm sick, he makes me. I could just write soup here, but I want to make my sentence a little bit longer, so I'm going to tell you what kind of soup. He makes me chicken noodle soup. Okay, so I've given you, well, I started with my opinion. I gave you 3 reasons why my husband's amazing. Now I have to end it with the same opinion. I can't change my opinion. I still think my husband is awesome, but I don't want to say the exact same words for my opinion, so I'm going to change up a little bit. I'm going to say, he really is the best husband in the world. So that's my opinion again. He really is the best husband. I could put an exclamation mark to show that I'm really excited. I ran out of room there. I probably should have extended my sentence and say, he really is the best husband in the world, if I wanted to add my sentence to add words to make it a little bit longer. But you can see how this is done. We have our opinion, we tell why, and then we state our opinion again, we tell it again. So that's why I think of it as an OREO. So remember, you're writing about your mom. You might say, my mom is awesome. My mom is great. My mom is the most amazing mother in the whole wide world. Whatever you want to say for your opinion, that's what you're going to do. Remember, you do not need to do it like an OREO, like draw it like this. If you want to, I guess you can, but it's hard to write in this area. I think it'll be easier for you just to get a piece of paper and write it as sentences going straight down. Until later, guys, have a great time. Miss you.
Now it's your turn. Make sure that you write an opinion about your mom. You can start it with something about how you feel about her. Like, my mom is great. My mom is amazing. Maybe you want to say, my mom is the best mom in the whole wide world. However you want to do it, that's how you will do your writing. I don't know.